Fujistar WLS P2P Wi-Fi camera, a smart security solution with clear, reliable surveillance in 2MP and 4MP. 1080p Full HD resolution, crystal clear video quality. Human detection, smart technology recognizes human movement. 360 degrees view, pan and tilt for full room coverage. Abnormal sound alarm detects unusual sounds for security alerts. 10 meter and 33 feet night vision, clear in the dark. Two-way audio, communicate in real time via the app. Privacy mode, disable the camera when privacy is needed. Start by downloading the FS View app from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once the app is installed, open it and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, create your account using a valid email address. Set a strong password and check your email inbox for the verification link. After verification, agree to the privacy policy and log in to your FS View account. Enable the necessary permissions for FS View to detect and connect to your camera via Bluetooth. Ensure your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the connection process to complete. Give your camera a recognizable name and save the settings. Choose between local storage on a microSD card or cloud storage for secure backup. Once the setup is complete, your camera will appear in the device list. Tap on it to view the live feed and start monitoring. Fujistar WLS P2P Wi-Fi camera. Monitor anytime, anywhere.